Hello everybody. Today we're going to see how I draw Kitbash. Alright, I'm going to do a quick sketch for myself just to make sure I have everything where I want it to be. And this one's going to be a little crazy because, well, it doesn't have to be exact, because this is just parts and parts and stuff and parts, which is why it's called Kitbash, right? Kitbash, just to give you some information, is what it used to be called whenever they would make things like in Star Wars, whenever they made the spaceships. In order to make them, well, you got to have something to make with, right? They would take old parts from old like battleship models and spaceship models and airplane models, and take parts from different ones they like and throw them together, which is why they're calling it Kitbash, because it is a plane kit or model kit, and they are just throwing it together. And they say bash just like they're bashing it together, just kind of really crudely just throwing it all together as quick as they can to make it look good. And that's where Kitbash came from. So that's what this is, a bunch of junk parts all together, right? And so I was just kind of giving myself a quick sketch so I know where everything's going to be, and then I can draw it for you real fast. And so now that I got that rough sketch done, I'm going to go ahead and just switch over to a Sharpie now, and you can see what I'm doing. So I'm going to start off with the big square for his toaster head up here. So I'm going to draw a line up like this, one across with a slight angle, and same thing, and come back down with kind of a slight curve to it. Okay, and let's go ahead and draw the lines. We're just going to draw 4 lines like this, kind of following that edge, and we're going to connect them now. So those two are connected, that's connected, same thing. And that'll take care of his eyes, which are basically toaster eyes. And there's a handle up here. We're going to go up a little bit, out, do it like that. And he's got a water hose for a neck, so I'm going to draw the one in front first, which I want this one like this, and go back and connect it, and there's the end of it there. And remember, this is all just junk parts, so it doesn't have to be perfect and exact. You just draw it how you like. And he's got a big tire right here, but it's being held together by a strap that we'll go ahead and draw real quick. And let's go ahead and draw the circle of that tire. So just imagine it's like this, and it's going underneath there. So we're gonna go underneath there, hit that, and come back around for the tire. Then the center circle for like the hubcap type part. That's what that is. There is a half-eaten apple over here, so we're going to do this, and that'll look like an apple core. Why? I have no idea, but hey, it's there. So we're going to draw like a little square like this, because the thing is, there's a lot of strange little parts there, so we just got to kind of connect stuff, so it's not just a tire, there's other stuff behind it, so I got to draw some weird little things to connect it all, right? So let's draw his shoulders, and he's got a spike. I'm going to draw some spikes first, just so I can get the front, because I know where it's going to be. And now I can draw the rest. So I'm going to connect it back behind and do like this. And so now that I know where everything is, I could draw more spikes. And so now it looks like they're behind and in front. See? So that's why we did it like that. So now he's got some strange parts that I'm just going to draw pipes that are holding it all together. Because some of this stuff don't even know what it is. So we're just going to keep drawing and making pieces that are holding him together, right? And he's got like that comm link thing that everybody has on his forearm. But I'm going to draw, it looks like an old Sega Genesis controller. It's funny. And this is a piece of tape that's holding it together. And I wanted it on front, so that's why I drew it first. That way I could draw everything else behind it, right? So now that looks like it's behind it and it's holding it together. And there is an antenna off that. And then this, I'm just going to draw some other stuff in there to connect it. And let's draw his hand. So let's draw a fist. It's easier for everybody, right? I'm going to draw the back, the thumb in like this, and there's his hand. So let's do the other one here. The other one has, let's see, banana peel. A lot of crazy stuff on this guy. So let's draw the banana peel like that. I know it's kind of floating, but it's because I want it on top. Okay. So I'm going to draw the shoulder piece back behind it. And it's got a little stuff holding it on together. Don't know what, but we're drawing it. Okay. So same thing. It's got just like that. Just some strange pieces. They're kind of holding it all together. And then there is a like grater, or I don't know what that is. And I'm just kind of drawing stuff here, so we're just kind of making it up as we go, because that's how Kitbash is, right? And here there is a magnet for a hand, so I'm going to draw down like this, a line, a U, like that, and that'll take care of his magnet hand. It's 3D looking, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Bring that in, and I'll take care of this. Alright, so let's draw the front of him here, which it looks like he's got cups. All kinds of crazy stuff, right? So remember, this is what we're doing because what we see and what we know, but the nice thing about this is it's how we want it to be, because there's so much stuff on here. Like this is a roll of toilet paper. There's so much stuff on here that no one can say that's wrong. Okay, and let's see, I'm going to do another one down there like this. Again, I see a bunch of pipes holding himself together, right? So we're going to do that. And then this is another big square. Another piece here like that. And I'll take care of this. And so now it looks like they just did a bunch of pieces all welded together. There's a strap holding his leg like that. Looks like there's a bottle in here like this. And I'm just guessing at this too. So like I said, remember, this is just trying to draw what's on there and making it look right. This looks like it's just a giant fender all beat up. So that's going to be the easiest thing to draw like that, right? And remember, I tried to connect some of this stuff just because you gotta connect it somehow, and just make something work, right? So I see a couple of tubes like this for his leg. See some weird pieces like that. I see one going down like this. Let's see more pipes. There's a lot of pipes that are holding them together. And I'll take care of that leg. And he's got like this weird cover. I don't know what that is exactly, but it covers up a giant brick for a shoe. Okay, that'll take care of that foot. So let's go ahead and finish up this and draw some crazy stuff in here. So this one, again, it looks more like it's a beat up old fender. So there's not too much extra pieces like that, just big chunks, you know. I do see some scissors, so I'm gonna kind of do like this. And that'll give it the idea of scissors right there. And another pipe going down like this. Like this one, there's just some strange tape thing that's holding that together. And this looks like a beat up old can. I'm gonna draw a circle up there for that. Gonna draw a dent like that. Connect it like this. Do the soda lid like that. And that is Kitbash. So here is my colored version. You could do it however you like. I just thought I'd show you how I decided to color it. If you'd like to color it like this, you can always pause the video here and use the coloring techniques that I used, or you can just make it your own. Remember, this is how I draw. You draw how you draw. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more adventures of how I draw. Plus, don't forget to hit that notification button to be updated about each new video.